Daily Devotions with KK.
Welcome back to Daily Devotions with KK. Galatians 5:22. But the fruit of the Spirit is love. What is love? Love is not a feeling that we have that comes and goes. It is something that has to be cultivated in us, like a fruit tree. Trees do not usually produce fruit the first year they are planted. We must allow the Holy Spirit to work in us and change us. Then we will begin to see the delicious fruits of the Spirit. Here's a picture of the delicious fruit of love. 1 Corinthians 3:4-7. Love has patience, love is kind, not jealous. Love does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor, it does not seek things for itself. It does not become angry, it does not charge evil to another. It does not rejoice over unrighteousness, but rejoices together in truth. It endures all things, it believes all things, it hopes all things, it is steadfast in all things. Love is a work only God can do in us. We must allow Him to do the work, which makes love a choice. John 3:16, for God so loved the world He gave. Love is a gift meant to be re-gifted. Choose love today.